Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. So on today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to create a community, and I'm going to explain in depth how community work, showing you guys practically everything from start to finish. Let's dive into that. So already you know WhatsApp group, right? I already made a video on that. This is quite different from WhatsApp community. Now WhatsApp community gives you even more feature than the WhatsApp group gives you, but this is just like an existing feature, but it's actually edified or modified rather. So click on WhatsApp to open the WhatsApp application. Now from this area, this is your default chat section. Now to create a group, there are multiple ways you can do that, or two different ways. Click on this area and you can notice where it says new community. Then you can click on that to create a community, or you can click on this three dotted icon. Okay, it has been removed from here. So the last way is to click on this icon on the top right hand area, or maybe your left, just the icon next to the chat. When you click on that, you're going to notice new community. It might be showing differently for you, but this is how it shows for me. So this is the community. Now I was added into this community recently. Now there is a way this community works. If you click on the community and you go over to the announcement section, you can notice that it has 15 participants, right? And within that 15 participants, it shows only the admin. And even though this shows only the admin, you can notice that only community admin can see all participants. So when you click on the participant, you will not be able to see that. But this is actually the admin. And also only the admin will be able to make a post right here. So when the admin make a post right there, it's going to display to the groups, and this is the exact group, but the person named it different thing. When you click on it, you can notice it says this is the announcement section, and this is the main group. So it says this group was added to the community du, it did not complete it. So this was the community, and this is the group of that community. So I'm going to explain everything in this, and you guys will actually get it more. So first, let's start by creating a community. Now to create a community, click on new community and you'll be able to create a community. The first thing you need to add is the image of the community. You can do this by either searching the web, adding image from your gallery, or using an emoji. So let me click on my gallery. I'm not sure if I have an image on the gallery that would be interesting. So I'm going to actually choose this one right here, and then I'm going to click on done, and then I'm going to give it a community name, and then I'm going to call it Tech Talk. And then under the community description, I'm just going to say and I'm going to click on the forward to continue creating or confirming the creation of that group. Now if you notice right there, it says create a new group, and second it says add an existing group. Now let me explain this a little bit. When you create a community, it actually has it as an announcement section, and then the groups are going to be where it's going to be announced. Now this is also going to be you'll be able to add up to 21 groups into this section of this community. So I'm going to click on create a new group to create a new group first, and I'm going to call it I call this my people, and then I'm going to click on the image also, and I'm going to go over to my downloaded image. I don't think I have any interesting or any uniquely downloaded image, so I'm just going to use a particular icon. I think it will be fine. I think this is fine. and I'm going to leave this as my people and it's confirmed checked. So I'm going to leave this disappearing message off. If you want it on, just enable it, and the disappearing message will be on for 24 hours or as long as you enable it. So I'm just going to click on forward. You notice this group has been added. Now this group is added, but actually I do not have anybody in that group. Do not worry, I will end up adding more people. Now to add an existing group, you can only add groups that you are admin on, and then I can add this, I can add that, and I can add this, I can add this, and I think most of this group I'm actually not an admin in most of them. So I just discovered this recently, that you can add just about any group, because I'm not admin in most of these and I'm admin in some of them. Okay, there is another group I wanted to add, this one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on forward, and these are all the selected group. Now you can see that I have all of this group and there are people in most of the groups. So all you need to do is to click on this check icon and you have confirmed creating the group. And now I have just created the community, adding all of this group. So now I'm going to explain something very quick, or something very simple. You notice on this top area, it gave the name of the group, which is Tech Talk, and below it says community 10 groups. Now it means that this community has up to 10 groups that have been added to it, and I can add even more. So this is actually very useful if you are into marketing and you want to market your product and all those stuff. It's very, very useful. Now you can notice the group I have right now is called TS Tech Talk. It's called Tech Talk, and under the Tech Talk I added all these people, and if you click on the announcement area, you can see all of the people that has been added to this group. Now the reason why all these people are added to this group is because all of these people actually belong to that particular community, and anybody can decide to leave the community. And then another quick explanation, guys. If you click on the main community, you can see the main community, and you can also invite member by copying the link or sending this to WhatsApp, or you can always share this link to any other social media. You can notice they are all displaying right here. So it's actually very interesting that you can do all of these in one place, which means you can do a lot of marketing easily on this. And now another interesting fact is, when you want to post something on all of this group right here, all of this group below, there are up to 10 groups, all of this group under this. If you want to post something, you can easily do that from the from this announcement section. You can say hello pals, and then send the message, This is going to be sent to all of those group right there immediately. It's going to be sent instantly to every of those group, and every member of those group are going to be able to see it. But if you notice right now, it's not displaying any of those messages right here. The reason why it's not displaying them is because it's sent to the community section, and you notice someone just left. So everybody in that particular group are going to see this instantly, which means everybody in these groups right here, everybody in this group right here are also in this particular group. Now I can prove that to you. You notice this name called Mankind. Now if you go over to this betting group and go over to this particular section, you can see that same name there, all the name that has been added. You notice the Mankind is here, the Charlie B is here, and Charlie B plus. And then if you go back to that section and go over to the announcement area, you can see those similar names here. So all of those people are all added here because they belong to either of these groups on this particular area. So I'm just going to go ahead and tell them that this is just a tutorial. So guys, if you have any issue or any question, please let me know. And if you are added to any community and you want to leave, you can easily leave any community. It's simple as leaving a WhatsApp group. So when you come to this particular section, you notice there is an exit button. You can always click on exit, and you click on exit, and you'll be removed from the group. You can easily delete the group and it will be deleted. And also you can still do the same thing by leaving the community. No one or not any, you won't be in violation of anything. So I am currently only on this particular group and this particular community. So if for any reason you want to leave anyone, you can just go ahead and click on it and leave instantly. So this is very easy and this is very useful. I actually did not know before now that we can add any group we belong to. I thought we can only do that to only groups that we are admin on. So it's actually very interesting that we can do this on just about any group that we belong to. This is very interesting and this is going to help you guys a lot in marketing. So if there are any other questions, please let me know. So any other time you want to add people to the community, you can always click on invite member, or you can click on this three-dotted icon and click on manage group, and you can also add more existing group. By clicking on that, you add, select, and that is all. So guys, this is all I want to show you on today's video. And if you have any question about this, please let me know on the comment section. And hopefully I'll be able to explain more, and see you on my next video. Please stay safe and peace.